2018 Subaru BRZ TS. Now with more, grip. Limited to a production run of just 500 for 2018, the Subaru BRZ TS, tuned by SDI, is the new benchmark version of the company's rear-wheel drive sports coupe. This styled-in BRZ offers more grip and control than ever before while retaining the brilliant car's familiar well-balanced character. A spoiler alert, though, if you've always thought the BRZ needs another 100 horsepower, you'll come away from the TS experience with that belief intact. Subaru and SDI engineers described their goal in tuning the BRZ TS as pure handling delight, a mission simply stated but difficult to achieve in a car already well known for its precision and balance. To reach its goal, Subaru has extensively tweaked the chassis. The sack stampers of the BRZ Limited's available performance package have been tuned to work with 18-inch SDI wheels and, finally, stickier 215/40 R18 Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. All of the upgraded chassis elements combine to make everything good about the BRZ even better, including very well-judged steering with about as much feedback as you could hope for. In the BRZ TS, that great rack is even sharper thanks to the good rubber and the chassis stiffening. The front crossmember specifically is said to reduce the delay between input and chassis response. We noticed no delay at all. Those Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires replace the comically weak Michelin Primacy HP rubber found even on the performance package BRZ, and the difference in grip is astounding. Around the track, the increased traction means that you're no longer able to go completely sideways by using the accelerator. It took some effort to achieve throttle-induced oversteer and really revel in the BRZ sublime chassis balance. Now you'll have to breathe off the brakes at just the right moment to get the back end to step out. Grip levels are higher across the board, but while the method may be different, the ability to adjust the BRZ's line remains unchanged. It just happens at higher cornering speeds. If there's a problem, it's that, while the car's perfect balance is unchanged, the engine is also unchanged. With the enhanced grip, it's all too easy to cast a brighter light on the engine's shortcomings. The 2.0-liter flat 4 at the heart of the TS still generates the 205 horsepower the standard BRZ got for 2017. That was up 5 ponies from earlier models, but only on manual transmission cars. The automatic isn't an option on the TS. Its song remains the same when you wind it out, and you still have to do that. Horsepower peaks at 7,000 revolutions per minute, and the full 156 pounds-to-foot of torque isn't present until the engine is spinning at 6,400 revolutions per minute. The gain is turned way up on the electronic throttle calibration, probably in an effort to make the most of the limited torque on tap. The result is a sensitive accelerator that gives you as much of a chance as possible to keep the BRZ TS in the power, but you'll always want for more pull at anything less than full check. Despite this, though, it has to be said that we opted to drive the BRZ TS more often than the WRX SDI Type R during the combined press launch event, despite the turbocharged Type R's massive power and available everywhere torque. The chassis and steering on the BRZ TS are just that good. Where the SDI is a Thor-sized sledgehammer, the BRZ is a razor-sharp samurai sword that only the worthy may wield to its greatest potential. It's just hard not to dig it, wheezy engine or not.